Well, we're at the mall today, and we met these people, and we met Raynie here, who has this brace on her leg, and we met her parents here. They're from southern Oklahoma.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What city?
Rice City.
Rice City?
Yes, sir.
And Raynie, you wanted to say what happened to you, what your condition was, and what God did?
Well, I had like a 7 or 8 pain, and then it went down to a 5, and then a 3, then a 0. I don't feel any pain anymore.
No pain at all.
No, sir.
And who's the guy that prayed for you?
Vincent.
Vincent.
Yeah, this kind of thing is definitely new to me as well. I mean, the fact that we actually have real authority as Christians to just simply order stuff to go away, just like Jesus did. Goodness. Okay.
Well, thank you for letting us pray for you, Raynie.
Thank you.
And thank you, folks. You have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Thank you for praying for me.
Bye now.